Casey1123 and I'm gonna do another sneezing video. I found out that salt and vinegar popcorn mix makes me sneeze, so let's try this.